Hello friends, today we are going to make quick and easy capsicum rice bath. So for this the ingredients I need are 3 capsicums. You can take the mix. I prefer either completely green or the mix. And the dry ingredients which we need are 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2-inch cinnamon sticks, 1 sprig curry leaf, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of wangibath powder, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, cilantro to garnish, and lime juice and the oil. So let me start and show you how to make it. I have taken a thick pan, so I'm going to add 100 grams of oil. Once it's slightly warmed up, I'm adding mustard, chana dal, cinnamon sticks. Saute this until then the chana dal becomes brown in color. And we can hear the mustard spluttering. I'm gonna add the curry leaves. And now I'm going to add the bell peppers. After sauteing it for 2 minutes, as the oil is completely covered by bell peppers, I'm going to add the turmeric, add the wangibath powder, chili powder. This can be adjusted to your taste consistency. To get it cooked fast, close the pan and let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes after you mix all the spice ingredients. You can see it is getting steam cooked and we can see oil oozing out, and we see that the bell peppers has slightly wilted and is losing its shape. Add the salt, and keep sauteing this till the capsicum gets slightly cooked, not too wilted but just slightly cooked. Now I have turned off the flame and I'm going to press the fresh lime juice for it. This process is very important. We have to put the lime juice when the bell peppers are hot. This capsicum mix can be saved for 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator, so we can mix it with hot rice and use as and when we need it. So I'm going to transfer little for the bowl and save it for my next time. Now let's add the fresh cooked rice to this. Now let me garnish it with cilantro. Now the capsicum rice bath is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Charya's Kitchen for more videos. Thank you.